Exam tomorrow and dental materials is still a mess? Forget memorizing blindly. We are converting everything into logic plus mnemonics plus instant recall.
1. Mechanical properties. Think of material behavior as a journey. Resist, store energy, deform, break.
Master mnemonic. Most rare students take tough exams. M is modulus, stiffness. How hard is it to bend? Higher modulus means more rigidity. R is resilience, rebound, energy storage. It bounces back like a spring. S is yield strength, start of damage, the point where permanent deformation begins. There is no return. T is toughness, terminal break, the total survival power of the material until it finally fractures. 2. Restorative materials. Amalgam, the old strong king. Composition, STCZ. Silver, strength. Tin, workability. Copper, removes the weak gamma-2 phase. And zinc, antioxidation. Key fact, it reaches its final strength after 24 hours.
Composite, beauty with shrinkage. Composition, BISGMA, matrix, inorganic fillers or glass, strength, and silene, the coupling agent that bonds them. The problem? Polymerization shrinkage of 1 to 4%. The solution? Use the incremental technique in 2 mm layers to reduce stress. GIC, the fluoride cement. Pros, it offers fluoride release and chemical bonding to the tooth. Cons, it is very moisture sensitive during setting.
3. Impression materials.
The Pam King rule. P equals polyether. Very precise, but very rigid, hard to remove. A equals alginate. Fast and cheap, but the least accurate. P equals PVS, addition silicone, the stability king with perfect vision. C equals condensation silicone, high shrinkage over time.
4. Bonding sequence, EEEH. E equals etch, prepare the surface. E equals expose, reveal the collagen network. E equals exchange, swap water for resin. H equals hybrid layer, the final bond that holds the restoration. 5. Alloys and ceramics. Gold, the champion of adaptation. Cochrome, the rigidity king, max stiffness. Ceramics, beauty equals weakness. They are aesthetic but brittle and crack easily. Final exam strategy. For any material, always answer in 3 steps. Where do we use it? When do we avoid it? Why do we like or hate it? 1-line summary. Amalgam, strong but old. Composite, beauty plus shrinkage. GIC, fluoride plus chemical bond. PVS, stability king. Cobalt chromium, rigidity king. Ceramics, beauty but brittle. Quick final recap before you go. Amalgam equals mercury plus silver, tin, copper, and zinc. Mnemonic, silver strengthens, tin times, copper crushes gamma-2, zinc zaps oxidation. Copper removes gamma-2, weak phase. Composite equals BISGMA plus fillers plus silane. Mnemonic, big FS. BISGMA, inorganic glass fillers, silane. Fillers equal strength plus less shrinkage. Also remember beauty with shrinkage. GIC equals polyalkenoic acid plus fluoroaluminosilicate glass. Mnemonic, acid plus base equals polysalt plus water. Acid plus base equals chemical bond plus fluoride release. Think fluoride cement. PVS, addition silicone, is most dimensionally stable. Mnemonic, Pap King King. PVS is the king. No byproduct, so no shrinkage. Cobalt chromium alloy is the highest rigidity, stiffest metal. Mnemonic Rigidity King. Follow Box and Bricks Allopathy. And follow Box and Bricks Allopathy. Okay, here's a quick recap. Amalgam equals mercury plus silver, tin, copper, and zinc. Mnemonic, silver strengthens, tin times, copper crushes gamma-2, zinc zaps oxidation. Copper removes gamma-2, weak phase. Composite equals bis-GMA plus fillers plus silane. Mnemonic, big FS. Bis-GMA, inorganic glass fillers, silane. Fillers equal strength plus less shrinkage. Also remember beauty with shrinkage. GIC equals polyalkenoic acid plus fluoroaluminosilicate glass. Mnemonic, acid plus base equals polysalt plus water. Acid plus base equals chemical bond plus fluoride release. Think fluoride cement. PVS, addition silicone, is most dimensionally stable. Mnemonic, PAP King King. PVS is the king. No byproduct, so no shrinkage. Cobalt chromium alloy is the highest rigidity, stiffest metal. Mnemonic rigidity. Follow Box and Bricks.
All right, final quick quiz from all materials. Let's test yourself before you finish. Elastic properties. Which property measures rigidity? A, toughness. B, elastic modulus. C, resilience. Answer, elastic modulus. Amalgam. Which phase is most prone to corrosion? A, gamma. B, gamma 1. C, gamma 2. Answer, gamma 2. Composite. Why do we place composite in increments? A, reduce shrinkage stress. B, improve aesthetics. C, increase radiopacity. Answer, reduce shrinkage stress and ensure curing. GIC. What is the major advantage of GIC? A, high strength. B, chemical bond plus fluoride release. C, excellent wear resistance. Answer, chemical bond plus fluoride release. Bonding. Which system gives stronger enamel bonding? A, self-etch. B, etch and rinse. Answer, etch and rinse. Impression materials. Most dimensionally stable material? A, alginate. B, polyether. C, addition silicone. Answer, addition silicone. Alloys. Which alloy is known for rigidity? A, gold. B, cobalt chromium. C, titanium. Answer, cobalt chromium. Final line. If you got most of these right, you're ready for the exam.
If this helped you, save it for revision and share it with your friends. Tooth fire. Follow for more. Study smart, not hard. Good luck.